Welcome back, Richard from Glass Menagerie. It's been a long time since we last spoke. We're over by my oven. I'm prepping the molds for the different textures before we put the glass in the mold and we heat the oven up to the required temperatures to slump the glass. We're working on a yacht, and this is the door for the sky lounge. The oven brings the glass back to a molten state. They are bulbs. These are filaments. And those heat up to extreme temperature and bring the glass back to liquid. It causes the glass to melt over the mold. Then we cool it in the oven. You have to do it carefully. You have to ramp up. You have to take the temperatures up very slowly and bring them down very slowly. Otherwise the glass shatters. And that's what the oven does. So we take the glass back up. We heat it back up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. And that melts the glass, or 750 Celsius. And that takes the glass back to its molten state and allows it to slump over this mold. So it picks up becomes very three-dimensional, and it's beautiful. Okay, so step number 2 is we're going to find the tin side of the glass, which typically, in hot glass terms, the tin side is the dirty side. So we put that side down. You want that side down so that all the dirt and stuff is settled, and the dirt is what they make the glass from, all the chemicals. If that side is up, you get a white frosted look, splotchy, and it looks terribly unfinished. So now we're searching for the tin side. This is a special light that shows that to you. So this is the tin side. That's the tin side of the glass. This side, there's no glow. This side, there's a glow. So that side goes down. Now that we've created the dam, we're going to close the lid and set the program on so the glass can start firing, so that we can remove it on Monday to slump. It'll take until Monday to cool. So now we're going to open the oven. The last time we met each other, we had put the glass into the oven. Now we're going to take a look at it and see how it came out. That's the piece. This is what it looks like. We applied the color down into the channels. We put the glass on top. We crushed glass and we created powder. This is all baked into the glass. Can't be scratched, can't be removed. So this is the insert for the sky lounge door on the 150-foot yacht Stay Salty that we're working on. The sky lounge is basically the master salon area where the entertaining on the yacht takes place. It's on the top deck. And this is the door that enters that room. So now in the last stages of the slumped glass insert, we're getting ready to install it into the door. The smooth side always goes to the main room. The textured side, which has all the relief from the slumping, goes to the back side of the door. Dale, you want to help me? So now that we've set the glass panel, we're going to silicone the entire panel so that there's no rattling, as it's on a yacht and there's a lot of movement on a yacht. So we're going to silicone it in, and then we're going to finish it off with the moldings that will cover and hide all the edges. Make it look beautiful. So from this angle, with the glass laying flat on the table, the light from the ceiling hits and reflects off the different levels of glass of slumping, which I think is one of the most beautiful things of this technique, is how the glass conforms to the mold. And you get that very heavy three-dimensional look. So now that the glass is actually installed into the door, this will be the side that will be viewed from the Sky Lounge side, or the main viewing side. This is the side with all the texture. We stood it against a black background so that you could see the dimensions of the slumping as it stood. So I'm going to remove the black cloth now so that you can see what the glass looks like with natural light with a clear background.